Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, A Day in the Life of Rhea. Thanks for stopping by and tuning in, and welcome to today's video. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 18. This video will be for Vlogmas Day 18 because the video that was supposed to be for today is not turning out right. I'm getting frustrated. I have not eaten all day. I've been ripping and running. You know, I went to go to the post office to send off some Christmas gifts so that I won't have to be forced to take it. You know, it's a long way, about 500 miles away. So I got that over with. Anyways, that wasn't part of my Vlogmas. I had a really nice video planned for today and it's not turning out. But maybe I'm going to push that off for tomorrow. So I guess I'll go ahead and get in this kitchen. I've been trying to do something different. I know I've been in the kitchen on a lot of my videos recently and I just wanted to do something different. I'm very disappointed. I'm about to get emotional because I'm mad that, you know, my video didn't turn out how I wanted it today. But you know what? I'm not going to give up. Before Vlogmas is over, that video will be up and it's going to be nice. Anyways, so let me go ahead and get started with this video. Today's video is going to be, hopefully I can get it loaded today. It's already like 6 p.m. But anyways, I'm going to try these hot Cheetos and Tostitos, like green Tostitos. I have like, you know, festive colors that I would like to do for the holidays. So I'm going to try to do these shrimp that I've never tried. So keep on watching to see how these turn out. So this is everything that I think I'll need today. I've never done this before, so hopefully this is all that I need. So I'm about to get started. So I'm about to get a bowl of water and some salt so I can put these shrimp in and let them soak for a little bit while I'm preparing the seasonings and the Cheetos and the Tostitos in the sandwich bag. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yeah, I'm just counting them. I guess I'll save some for another dish. I just wanted to try these out. I don't know how they're going to turn out, so yeah, I don't want to waste it. So I have a couple of sandwich bags. I'm about to go ahead and put these Cheetos inside of this bag so that it can be easier to crunch up. So it'll be like breading. So I went to go get a spoon and was just reminded that I need an egg and some buttermilk. So let me hurry up and get this done. I'm making a mess, but anyways, I'm about to stir this flour up. But before I do, I'll go ahead and put this egg and buttermilk into this bowl. I always think my flour isn't seasoned well enough. But you know what? I need to add some of these to the flour anyway. So let me go drain these real quick and take the tails off. Okay, so my shrimp are drained and patted dry. So I'm just going to season them with the same thing that I seasoned the flour with. Yes, I'm making a mess, but I'll be back once that's done and mix this up. Okay, so I'm just going to mix this up really quick. I'm the only one eating this, so I can use my hands. My hands are clean anyway. I can mix this real quick. So I'm just starting with half of the shrimp to be dipped inside of the flour. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Get it all well incorporated. This is the buttermilk and the egg. So I can dip each one of these inside of here. And then dip it back in the flour. So while I'm waiting on the grease to get hot, I'm just going to go ahead and put some of this honey sriracha in a bowl for when the shrimp are finished getting fried. And that way it'll have something to stick on there once I dip them back in, you know, the crumbs. It feels like this grease is taking forever. I think I'll get some editing done while I wait. Oh my God. It's already 7:30. Time is ticking. Can't find any forks, so yeah. They taste pretty good. So these are the red, these are the green. I'm about to put them in the oven after I put the breading on them and shake them up in a bag. So let's see how this turns out. I'm hungry. I'm ready to eat. Honey sriracha. So they didn't need to be in there that long. I don't know. Let me take them out now. So my food is done. I'm proud of how it looks. I know it might not taste right. I think the hot Cheetos will, but I'm not sure about the food coloring and Toast Cheetos dip. My fingers are, yeah, all green. You should see my other hand. But anyways, I'm about to run to the van, get my cocktail sauce, come back in, and finally sit down and eat for the first time today. So this is the final look. Interesting, right? I can't wait to taste them. Christmas shrimp. All right, y'all, so it's time to eat. Let me taste one of these favorites real quick. Amen. Which one? All right, let me try this one. This one is perfect. They look like little nuggets. Yo, I got this knot on my head. I think it came from when I was fighting my brother when I was a teenager. All of a sudden, it's coming on my head. That's how you know you're getting old. I just thought I would say something. It looks crazy. And then I got a bump right here. First time trying these hot Cheeto corn curl shrimps. Wow. The whole thing came off. That's interesting. Let me try with a little bit of cocktail sauce. I wish they were still hot. They're really good. Look at my teeth. My fingers. I think it's going on 9 o'clock at night. This video is a replacement video because my other video didn't turn out. Hopefully I can get that done later this week. I can't wait for Vlogmas to be over. So I need to hurry up and finish eating, get this video edited, and post it today. Stressed out. First time tasting the hot Cheeto ones with the cocktail sauce. I ate all day, y'all. I like the green ones better with the cocktail sauce for some reason. Alright, y'all, so y'all know I'm about to finish smashing. And what I'm about to say next. Alright, y'all, if you made it this far, you know I always thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you would like to support the channel. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.